Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about merging onto expressway. If you don't know, we're on a cloverleaf. A cloverleaf is a really sharp curve. And right now I'm reducing my speed. I'm taking my time. We have chevron alignment signs. Those are those yellow arrow signs, and they tell us this is a very sharp curve. So if you look down and around, and I'm looking down and around, you'll see it. If you go to the left, you're going to hit the yellow warning lines, and then you'll be in the ditch. The line to the right is the edge line. You want to look up and around the curve. You want to take a quick peek at traffic. I see a semi truck coming, so I'm a little aware. And then you want to build speed coming off the curve. So I'm at 40, and it's like a slingshot. So you want to build up your momentum. You got to accelerate and look over your left shoulder. And then I'm at about 70 miles an hour. That was a nice merge. A lot of beginning drivers will hesitate and they won't accelerate up to speed. So you're maintaining good speed, you're aiming high, looking ahead. That was a nice merge. So the next thing you want to do as a beginning driver, if you're being evaluated, you want to stay smooth. You want to check your rearview mirror every 12 to 15 seconds. And you want to not turn the steering wheel as much. A lot of beginning drivers overturn the wheel. So they're coming over to my lane. I'm just lifting my foot. I'm taking my time, and I'm maintaining good speed. I want to make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I gently make the lane change into the middle lane. I'm nice and smooth. I'm taking my time. The lane to the right is for slower moving traffic. The lane in the middle is for smooth moving traffic. The lane all the way to the left is faster moving traffic. Right now, the wolf pack, and a wolf pack is a bunch of cars that are ahead of us. You want to avoid that. Right now, I'm behind the pack of cars. You saw the burgundy car cut over one lane to left and cut back. You always want to try to stay smooth in your lane and not make a lot of erratic lane changes. So I'm nice and smooth. I'm taking my time. I'm looking ahead. I check my rearview mirror every 12 to 15 seconds. I'm scanning. I want to make sure I'm safe and consistent. Always looking around, maintaining good space, and staying smooth. You don't want to jerk the wheel. Right now I'm jerking the wheel, and if you jerk the wheel, you will upset the balance of a car. Currently there's a car behind me speeding, so I'm just staying in my lane. You're going to see them passing me on the left really fast. So you got to be aware of what cars are doing. You must take your time. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults, and we're talking about merging on expressway. I'm going to make a lane change to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. As you can tell, the most common offense, people do not use the blinkers. Learn from the mistakes of others. Please give this a thumbs up. More content is coming. I promise you, you're going to love it. Give us the thumbs up. Thank you. Have a blessed day.